Okay, let us take one question on simple cash book, right? Record the following in simple cash book and show the balance. There are no dates given, so we will not write anything in the date column. Okay. For the rest of them, let's see. Balance opening. So there is an opening balance of a simple cash book. This position is a little distorted. Until this point is the receipt side. So opening balance will be written as to balance brought down. There's no detail about the voucher. Ledger folio, how much is the amount? 20,000. Purchases for cash. So you have made a cash purchase. When you make a cash purchase, what will you do? You will make a payment. Okay. Or is it a receipt? What is the entry that we pass for cash purchases? We say cash account debit because we receive cash. Okay. Am I correct? No, I'm not correct. This is incorrect. When we make a purchase, we debit the purchase account. Why? Because purchase is an expense. To cash account, 10,000. Right? So this is what? This is a payment. I will write it on the payment side by purchases. And what's the amount? 10,000. Right? There's no date, voucher number or ledger folio. The next one is sold goods for cash rupees 20,000. When you sell goods, what happens? You receive cash, right? We receive cash. When we receive cash, this time the entry will be cash account debit to sales 20,000. Right? So we will read it as cash account debit to sales 20,000. Next, commission and other expenses paid. Now, when you incur a commission or you pay expenses, what happens? Cash balance goes down. You're making a payment. So it has to come on the payment side by commission plus other expenses. How much is the amount? 2,000. Paid to creditor Alan, rupees 10,000. Again, paid. It's a payment case. So we will write by Alan 10,000. Right? If you were to pass an entry for this, what will be the Alan will be debited. Why? Because Alan is a creditor. A creditor has a credit balance. When you pay him, the balance goes down to cash 10,000. Right? Once this is done, all the entries are passed. We'll do the totals. 20 plus 20 gives you 40,000. As I told you, the debit balance is always greater than the credit balance. Right? I'll write the balance here. What is the difference between these three and 40,000? These three sum up to 10 plus 2 plus 10, 22,000. So by balance carried down will be the balancing figure or 18,000, which is the balancing figure. How did I arrive at this? 40,000 minus 22,000. 22,000 is the sum of 1, 2, 3. Right? 40,000 was the total. So that is how you prepare a simple cash book. The transactions can be any one. The only thing you need to keep in mind is whether it is a receipt or it is a payment.